ladies. FitLabPGH back with a movement tip and lifestyle hack. So you've seen a couple of videos with the new puppy, you've met the old puppy, and one of the things with the new pup, she's 10 months old, people always wonder, how do you get your dogs accustomed to running? So if the dog's less than 3 months old, it doesn't really need organized walks where you're trying to get a pace or a distance or a time in. And then once they get a little older, until they're fully mature, 18 months to 2 years for a lab, what you want to do is you want to say about 5 minutes more a month. She's 10 months, so the longest we're going to go is about 50 minutes, provided it's not too warm. And we're going to go at her pace, no running until she's fully mature, or just a slow jog for maybe 20, 30 seconds. It's going to enable us to have a long, fruitful workout relationship, and it's going to enable her to stay healthy and not have those nasty running injuries that most of the two-legged runners have. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH and Maggie and Puddin.